కమింగ్ టు అవర్ ప్రొడ్యూసర్స్ ప్రసాద్ దేవినేని గారు అండ్ శోభు యార్లగడ్డ గారు. ఇలాంటి ఒక సినిమా తీయాలి అంటే సొమ్ముతో పాటు గుండె నిండా దమ్ము ఉండాలి. దానితో పాటు వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఇంకో వజ్రాయుధం కూడా ఉంది, అదే ఎస్ఎస్ రాజమౌళి గారు. అందుకనే ఒక్కసారి కూడా వెనకడుగు వేయలేదు. బాహుబలి 1 నుంచి బాహుబలి 2 వరకు అదే చెక్కు చెదరని చిరునవ్వుకి కేర్ ఆఫ్ అడ్రస్ అయ్యారు. వారి గురించి ఒక స్పెషల్ ఏవి.
బాహుబలి వెండితెరపై ఆవిష్కృతమైన అసమాన దృశ్య కావ్యం. ఈ చిత్రానికి బీజం పడింది 2011లో 100 కోట్ల రూపాయల బడ్జెట్తో. కానీ ఎంత రాజమౌళి ప్రభాస్ కాంబినేషన్ అయినా అంత మార్కెట్ ఉండదేమో అన్న అనుమానం వచ్చినప్పుడు బడ్జెట్ తగ్గించొద్దు, మార్కెట్ పెంచుదాం అని ముందడుగు వేశారు బాహుబలి నిర్మాతలు. ఆ క్రమంలో తొలి అడుగుగా బాహుబలి చిత్రాన్ని తమిళ భాషకు విస్తరించారు. ప్రముఖ నిర్మాత కరణ్ జోహార్ను కలిసి జాతీయ స్థాయికి తీసుకువెళ్లారు. బాహుబలి సినిమా పరిధి విస్తృతమై 2 భాగాలకు విస్తరించి బడ్జెట్ 400 కోట్ల రూపాయలకు పైగా పెరిగినా నిర్మాతలు వెనక్కి తగ్గలేదు. సామాజిక మాధ్యమంలో మేకింగ్ వీడియోస్, టీజర్స్ పెడుతూ ఈ సినిమా చూసి తీరాలి అనే ఆసక్తిని పదింతలు చేస్తూ బాహుబలి కంటూ ప్రత్యేకమైన ఫ్యాన్ ఫాలోయింగ్ని సృష్టించారు. అమెరికా, చైనా, జపాన్, జర్మనీ, ఫ్రాన్స్, ఇటలీ, స్పెయిన్, బెల్జియం, దక్షిణ కొరియా, రొమేనియా ఇలా అనేక దేశాలలో 50కి పైగా ఫిల్మ్ ఫెస్టివల్స్లో బాహుబలి ప్రచార చిత్రాలను ప్రదర్శిస్తూ ఎక్కడో తెలుగునాట వెండితెరపై ఓ అద్భుతం ఆవిష్కరింపబడుతోందని ప్రపంచానికి చాటి చెప్పారు. హాలీవుడ్ రిపోర్టర్, ఫోర్బ్స్, గార్డియన్ లాంటి మ్యాగజైన్స్ ఈ చిత్ర విశేషాల కవరేజ్కు తరలివచ్చి అద్భుత కథనాలతో ప్రశంసలు కురిపించేలా చేశారు. తద్వారా అంతర్జాతీయంగా సాగుతున్న ఈ సంచలనం స్వదేశంలో బాహుబలిని ఆకాశమంత ఎత్తున నిలిపింది. ఫలితంగా బాహుబలి తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాల ఎల్లలు దాటి, పొరుగు రాష్ట్రాల పరిధులు దాటి అనేక దేశాలలో స్థానిక భాషలలో కూడా విడుదలై కొత్త చరిత్రకు శ్రీకారం చుట్టింది. దే ప్రొడ్యూస్డ్ క్యూరియాసిటీ, దే ప్రొడ్యూస్డ్ హైప్, దే ప్రొడ్యూస్డ్ బాహుబలి. ఆర్కా మీడియా అధినేతలు శోభు యార్లగడ్డ, ప్రసాద్ దేవినేని.
వావ్! మా నిర్మాత బాహుబలిలో ప్రసాద్ దేవినేని గారు అండ్ శోభు యార్లగడ్డ గారిని వేదిక మీదకి ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. You can see the whole unit standing up for them. బాహుబలి ఒక సంచలనం, ఒక అద్భుతం. ఆ సెన్సేషన్ని తీయడానికి ముందడుగు వేసిన నిర్మాతలకి సాహోరే బాహుబలి అంటూ శోభు గారు టు ప్లీజ్ స్పీక్.
ఓకే అండి, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన అందరికీ, ఫ్యాన్స్కి అందరికీ వెరీ వెరీ బిగ్ వార్మ్ వెల్కమ్. ఫస్ట్లీ ఫ్యాన్స్కి నేను we have to on both of us and Arca Media Works a little apology, because I know there are hundreds and thousands of other fans who would like to be here at this very moment, but due to various reasons we can only limit to so much crowd. So my sincere apologies to all the fans who couldn't make it here, and hope you're enjoying in the comfort of your home. Where we are today, the AV that we just saw, it's mind-blowing. It's we couldn't have imagined that we will be here in this place, me and Prasad, that we would be really in this place 5 years ago when we started this thing. Today, it's gives us a lot of pride and a lot of satisfaction and a sense of achievement that Bahubali is a national brand, one of the biggest movies, and Bahubali 2 will be seeing the biggest release ever in Indian cinema. For this to happen, now Bahubali is also not just a film; it's also many things. It's into books, virtual reality, comics, animation, and they're all by themselves. They're very strong, and so there's so many things that Bahubali is now. It's not just films, and this is a major achievement for all of us. But this could not have happened without the support and strength that we got from hundreds and thousands of people who have worked with us over the last 5 years. And each one and every one of them gave their 100%, more than 100% to this wonderful project. I would say that none of them here worked for money. I think almost everyone worked for the passion of it. Otherwise, they couldn't have worked for 5 years. So thank you all, each and every one of you who have worked on this project. It's impossible to mention name by name, but each one and every one of you, it's an honor, a privilege that all of you have been here with us and journeyed with us for these 5 years. Specifically, there's the man, captain of the ship, Rajamouli. There are only three things that when I think of Rajamouli, there are three things that I think of Rajamouli. One is his supreme talent that everybody knows. His talent is, I think no words can describe his talent. But beyond talent, is the second thing is his hard work. Nobody works like him. With talent and hard work, it's a very potent combination. But there is a third thing here, and that is he's uncorrupted by money and commercial elements. Money is not a factor in his entire journey. And I think these three things together is what made Bahubali what it is today. Whatever you have seen today or till now, any visual, any book, any image, any picture has been through Rajamouli's hands. Nothing has come out without him putting his stamp on it, looking at it, and giving his opinion and his feedback on it. And that, I think, is the reason why the film and the world of Bahubali, whether it is movies or everything else that is around it, is such a big hit and such a big success. Along with that, I think each and every, it's great to have a vision, it's great to work hard, it's great to have talent, but unless you have a team that supports you and a team that keeps up pace with you, it's impossible to achieve your dream. And I think in that, we had a solid team, the technicians, and we have seen all the visuals, we have seen all the AVs that have given, highlighted each one of them. And I think starting with Kirvani Garu, Sendil, Sabu Cyril, Vijendra Prasad Garu, I'm going to forget a few names, but you know who you are. And all of you here, you have done more than anybody else. Kamal Kannan for the CG and sound and stunt teams and the dance teams, Devika, who's been assisting me. Every one of you have done beyond their means, and everybody has put their life on hold many times to get what is needed for this project. So I think, thank all of you, thank each one and all of you for this huge contribution to this project. The other thing is my company, Arca Media Works, the staff and the people there who are sitting in the offices, toiling midnights, you don't see them, but Arca Media Works and the digital partners, Arca Connect, are the digital marketing company. They have toiled hard and really made this what it is today. The digital marketing efforts that we consistently, that Arca Connect did over the last few years are what is showing here in the results today. So coming to the cast, Prabhas. Prabhas, what can I say? Everybody has said everything that is to be said, and he has given us 4 years. Today, currency is not how much money I can give you, how much time can I give you is a question today. And when somebody can give 4 years of their life in their peak of their careers, unquestioned with a smile, I think that goes beyond anything else. I can't say anymore. And that is the reason, because of his solid presence, that today this project is what it is today. Rana is our unstinted vocal promoter of the film. Whether it is in Hyderabad or in Bombay or internationally, Rana has taken this film on his shoulder and did what he has to do. Thank you, Rana. And the superb and fabulous cast who are utmost professionals, Sweetie, Tamanna, Ramya Krishna Garu, Nazar Garu, Satyaraj Garu, and all the other cast and members who have worked with us. Thank you, all of you. Thank you so much, sir. Then when we came to this project and we said, how do we take it out of this country? How do you take it out of a Telugu film and make it international or make it national in the first instance? Suresh Babu, I was discussing with Suresh Babu Garu, and Suresh Babu Garu, Dana was there, and he said, why don't you approach Karan Johar? He is the right person. So based on his advice, we went to Karan Johar. Karan Johar, I never met him till then. Rana knows him very well. We went with a few stills. That's all we went with, and a few concept art. We said, this is what we are planning to do. This is what we are thinking. And he saw it, and he could see the potential in that. With the backed by Rajmouli, he knew what this could be. And because he put his name on it, we could conquer one of the toughest markets, Hindi markets, and we could connect with the Hindi audience like never before. And I must add that Anil Tadani and his AF Films, with their distribution strategy and the distribution that they did was a fabulous, fabulous distribution, and the combination was what made Bahubali a pan-India film. Thank you, Team Dharma, and thank you, Anil Tadani and Karan Johar, for being a part of our journey. And yeah, I prepared the speech, okay? So, and when you do a journey like this over the last 5 years, there are always lots of ups and downs. There are times when you don't know where to look for strength, where to look for support, and we don't know what's going to happen next. And everybody who's been in any business, any venture, especially in film business, understands what I'm saying. And friends and family and business associates have really supported us through these low points in our career, through these low points in this film, the tough points in the film, the tough in the film production in the last 5 years. Of special mention, apart from all the friends and family and business associates that have worked here, I think Ramoji Rao Garu and Ramoji Film City has stood by us rock solid. In the moment of need, they were there for us, and they supported us with unstinting belief. And I think we are really grateful on both of us, really grateful for the support unquestioned support they have given us through the last 5 years. Thank you, Ramoji Rao Garu, thank you, Vijayasri Madam, and thank you all of us, all the entire team of Ramoji Film City, Ravindra Garu, and all the team for this support. And I think I'm pretty much done. I told Chinna that if I missed out somebody, he'll jump in and take the thing for me. So, but one thing is, we started Arka Media Works in 2001, me and Prasad, and it's been a long journey since then. When we started in 2001, both of us knew nothing about film or television production. We were completely from a different background. Actually, had two failed ventures and looking at making one more venture, which probably could fail at any given time. But one person really believed in us and gave us our first opportunity, and that is Bapindi Garu from ETV. I don't know what he saw in us because we had nothing, but he gave us the first break in a TV serial. And he has continued to support us, and I think all that that's where we started, and we are really grateful to Sir Bapindi Garu for the tremendous support you have been to us and given us the entire confidence to move forward at every given juncture. Thank you. So, and I'll close with my comments with, and Ravindra Garu has been our mentor and supporter, and he has really been with us in our journey since 2001. And thank you, Babai. Thank you. And also we have Matrix Prasad Garu and Nirmagata Prasad Garu, who has been a great support and for us, especially in the second part. Thank you, sir. And also Satyaranga Garu and Prasad Garu, who have also been provided strong support to us. Thank you all. Thanks again. Sorry to have held up for this long, but I wanted to express all my heartfelt comments here. Thanks you all, and if I have forgotten someone, please excuse me, but you're all in my mind. Thank you.
Thank you, Shobhu Garu, Prasad Garu.
And And thanks to my partner, Prasad, who has been with me and who hung on to me for a long, long time. Thank you.
Hello, Andy. I don't think Shobhu has left anyone for me to thank separately. But yes, I would like to thank everyone he has mentioned from the bottom of my heart. Without their passion, support, and hard work, Bahubali wouldn't be the phenomena it is today. Thank you. But there's one person I would like to thank personally, that is Shobhu. Even though both of us are producers on this project, let me tell you that it is 4 years of his hard work, his passion, which has brought us here. To produce a film with Rajmouli is not a joke. He is totally driven, he is passionate and is hardworking. And the producer has to be equally passionate and hardworking, and I think that is what Shobhu did. I don't think I could have done it. Thank you, Shobhu. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks a lot.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ శోభు గారు అండ్ ప్రసాద్ గారు. We have seen you evolve as wonderful producers from Bahubali 1 to Bahubali 2, and also we have seen you evolve as wonderful speakers. శోభు గారు, ప్రసాద్ గారు బాహుబలి 1 ఆడియో లాంచ్లో ఎలా ఉన్నారు, బాహుబలి 2 కల్లా ఎలా డెవలప్ అయిపోయారు స్పీకర్స్గా అని చూసాం మేము. ఇట్ ఈస్ వండర్ఫుల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
థ్యాంక్స్, మీ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ అండి.
రాఘవేంద్రరావు గారు ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు కదా.